Hey, so this is really quick. I was just filming something else, which is why I'm like half done or close to done. But I wanted to try, I don't know if you guys have seen this like trend that was happening on social, all of them. And it was that your perfect lip combo is your brow pencil. Line your lips with your brow pencil and then use your cream blush as your lip product. And at first I was like, whatever, like, sure, yeah, makes sense, you know, like color-wise. But then I was like, I want to try it. I haven't tried it. So I'm going to try it. So the brows is kind of like tough because I use a lot of different brow products and mostly pens. But the one that I settled on was Ash Brown, the Edge Precision Brow Pencil by House Labs. So that's what I'm going to use to line my lips. I also, since I filmed that other lip video, changed the way I lined my lips. Because that's what happens. It's very annoying. It's very annoying. This is nice. I chose this one because it's a little bit more creamy than like some of the other ones. Some of the other ones that I have are a little bit more like hard and matte, so not as much shit goes down, which is great for a brow pencil, but not for a lip liner. So I'm gonna start off on the outer edge of my lips. I use a light hand because this is dark. So I went back to thickening up the outer part of my lips. I'm gonna contour in here. Basically just gonna place it down and then blend with a brush because I can't do a ton of blending with this formula. So far I'm like, yeah, makes sense. Like the coloring is decent. It's a little dark. I do have lighter lip liners, brow pencils that I could use, but this is the thing I used in my brows today, so. See if it looks like a pigeon, like really hard right now. Now I'm gonna use a brush and I'm going to apply my cream blush. So the brush I'm gonna use is the Rephr 02 brush. It's a little flat guy. And I figure, at first I was gonna blend this before I went in with the blush, but I figure since it's like cream blush and I'm gonna go in with a brush, I might as well just like blend it while I'm doing that. So this is not actually the blush that I'm wearing today, but it's one that I wear often. I used a powder blush today, so. This is, and it looks so gross and grimy because I've definitely got like dust and shit in there. This is Rose by Refi Beauty. So I'm gonna pick it up with the brush. It's a little light. I'm gonna start by placing it in the center. And I'm gonna, I don't know about this. I'm wiping off my brush and then I'm going to blend into that eyebrow pencil. I don't know about this. Did my lip line get like a little too big? This is giving me major Pam Ann vibes right now. Okay, I gotta just talk through that shit. It's so annoying. All right, I'm not entirely sure how I feel about this. I feel like a lip liner is just like formulated to like work better on your lips. It's definitely a little too dark and too cool toned. In my opinion, and then also my blush is just like too light, man. I think this might work if I was like, if I had a deeper blush that I was wearing, but I've been wearing like lighter blushes. So it's just like a little, it's a little much for me. It could also be because I'm wearing a makeup look today that like doesn't have any foundation or concealer, so there's that. I don't hate it though. It's just like a little cool tone because my blush is so light and my liner is so gray, you know? But I'm not mad at it. I'm just gonna, just since we're here, I'm gonna go in with a little bit of NYX. Is this Nude Truffle? I don't want this. Nude Beige, which is kind of like a warm taupe. And I'm just gonna go around, kind of blend those two colors. This might add a little bit more warmth. That works a little better. That adds just like a little bit more warmth. You know? I don't know, what do you think? I don't hate it. But I also kind of feel like the lining job, because it's an eyeliner, like it just, I keep saying that. Eyebrow pencil. Bro! Nobody wants me to work today. Ziva's making noise. The guys outside are jackhammering or shotgunning. I really honestly don't know. Or machine gunning. I'm actually kind of into this. It definitely gives me like Pam Anderson vibes. I think if I use something not quite as pale for the center of my lips, it would actually look like pretty dope. But I had to use my blush, you know? Yeah, I don't hate it. I actually kind of like it, but I want to try something warmer probably. I just don't really understand. I mean, like I understand the concept, but it's not necessarily going to work for everybody, you know? So just keep that in mind. I think I used the most lip linery eyebrow pencil that I have. And it wasn't perfect, but it did okay. It actually kind of mixed with the NYX Nude Beige really nicely, but I don't know, give it a shot. Have you tried this? Like it kind of makes sense because you're using these colors throughout the rest of your face, so keeping shit cohesive and also cutting down on the amount of products you're using, so, you know, I thought it was a good idea. But yeah, anyway, let me know what you think of this. Again, maybe manipulated a little bit by the fact that I'm not wearing any foundation or concealer today. But yeah, let me know what you think. I'm gonna go because now I feel uncomfortable. Bye.